I'm here, stating that, talk to the attorney, you owe the money. That was it. No mediation, no nothing. And I brought the emails too, so just in case. So I hadn't heard any contact. I paid May 1528, April 1320. So I'm actively showing that I'm ready to catch up with it, but they won't budge on late fee or anything.
I got it.
My hot water heater is out. Been out for 3 days. No fixing, no call, no nothing.
You're starting to make this sound like a country song. Hold on.
It is. And
just hold on.
And by the way, I have not had a mailbox key since I moved in. So they want all this money from me, but don't want to help me. Crazy.
And all I asked is, where were we?
And I told you, that's where.
Yeah, I know. You did. You answered my question.
That's where we're at.
All right. So let's start at the beginning.
Okay.
How much do you show her owing?
I have a current balance, including court costs, of $3,676. I do see that.
$376.
I got $36.50 is what they gave me through email.
Your Honor, the court costs that were added don't include, are less than what the court costs that were put on the ledger are less than the actual amount of court costs. If that makes sense. So there was $196 put on the ledger, but the court costs are actually $222.
Okay.
So I'll be asking my client.
So she owes 33. She paid that. Now, my understanding, outside of the other matters that she's brought up, is that there was going to be some contact with her regarding resolving the rest of it, because she was making substantial payments.
And I do show a payment of $500 from the day of the hearing, as well as the 1028 that was to be paid on
the 10th.
It's my understanding that there was another 1028 to be paid today. I don't know.
No, it wasn't today. It was the 24th.
Right, because she had to go.
That's bi-weekly.
Their week, yeah.
Okay. The notes say the 17th, but I understand.
No, I set today so that we could make sure that those payments got in. And then, so that's how we ended up today.
Right away, you can tell this hearing isn't just about unpaid rent anymore. The tenant isn't denying the debt. She's explaining why catching up has become almost impossible. Between repair issues, late fees, and a lack of communication, this case is turning into a balancing act. Watch how the judge separates the emotional frustration from the legal questions. That's often where these hearings are won or lost. And let me ask you, if your landlord ignored repairs while charging late fees, should that affect the outcome? Let me know in the comments.
And just for the record, as far as contact goes, Ms. Gazzari has been out of the office this week, so.
Gotcha, okay. Because when Ms. Hobbs, when you said that, it does not, that is not Ms. Gazzari. Okay? She usually gets back to people, which sort of surprised me a bit. Okay, so how much is your monthly rent?
$1,028.
That's right. So if she pays another $1,028 on the 24th, then will be at least, her next check won't be until the 7th. And so, but we'll be right at where we are now, monetarily.
Absolutely.
And what you're looking at is not only in terms of repairs, but you're also looking at trying to get them to work something out.
With the late fee, at least. Because if I keep paying them $1,028 every 2 weeks, I'm still going to be behind because the late fee keeps building. And then on top of that, I'll never catch up. And then I don't have adequate monetary money for electric bill and other things like that. So I'm like, I can do it, but I'm going to be sitting in the dark on top of that. And then I'm still owing late fees and still living in a house with no hot water. No mailbox key since I moved in.
I know. I remember the mailbox key. You want me to write that down?
Yes.
I'll write it
down.
Mailbox key.
I just now, after hounding email, I just now got my receipt.
Hobbs, you're killing me.
You know,
Just hold
I'm a
on.
law-abiding-
Just hold on a minute. I'm trying to figure out how we get this out to a certain point where somebody can respond to you,
Okay,
because you had a plan in mind of trying to get it paid off. I get it.
I did.
But they can't do anything without approval of their client. If the attorney was out, then that didn't happen because it didn't get back to you.
Okay,
Okay? All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this out. Your next payment is the 24th, right?
right.
So I'm going to set this out 2 weeks to the 31st.
Okay.
May 31st, 2024 at what's that?
Okay.
2 p.m.
Whew.
Okay?
Okay.
We're still good, right?
It's just, I just made them a 1528 payment in May. I still have
Pardon?
I just made that payment in May, that money that I paid on.
Yeah, no, I got you.
on the 10th.
Pardon?
I still have other bills to pay as we speak of this month. So they want me to make another $1,028 payment in May.
Well, here's what I'm trying to do. What I'm trying to do is, if you make the 1,028 in May,
Okay.
that stretches the time I can try to work with this case.
I see.
Because then I can say, at least as we go into June, the number doesn't go up.
Gotcha.
You follow me?
I follow you now.
That's,
Okay.
so I need
All right.
you to make the 1,028
It'll be May.
on the 24th.
Okay.
Okay?
Absolutely.
I'll adjourn this out to the 31st. Can we check on our hot water heater
Yes, I'm going to be reaching out here.
and also the mailbox key?
Yes. Please.
I'm almost afraid to ask, but is there anything else? What's that?
No, I'm alive and I'm about to go back to work because I'm on my lunch break. So good.
Then it's a beautiful day.
It is
Okay.
Friday.
And it's
Yes, that's the most beautiful part. All right.
I have one more question. How do I get?
See,
I have
I
to.
knew it.
I'm
I
sorry.
knew it. She was almost
I
out the
know, I
door,
was
and then
almost
I
out the
got another
door.
question.
My brain like that. Do I go to the front of the court where the offices are to try to get a letter stating on what my court date is? Because I just put it in my phone, but I need something for my job. Because if it's after 12, I have to give them reason to.
Hold on. What do you need?
A letter saying that I have court. Which I asked the office for, they don't have it.
I hear you.
You know you like me, just,
What?
you know, we're vibing here, Judge Simpson.
Is that what that is?
It's
Okay.
absolutely.
I didn't know. I didn't know what that was. But
Absolutely.
okay. All right. Here's what I'll do.
Alrighty.
Where'd Ann go?
I was gonna say the clerk's gonna get her.
No, we're gonna do something different. You need something that says that you gotta be here on the 31st.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And that I was here today.
Okay. Have a seat.
Awesome.
And I am going to do this for you. I will have my staff prepare a letter for you.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I
You
appreciate
didn't want my signature on it.
it. If you want,
No.
even
Nope,
better.
not doing that.
Okay.
But